Hey everybody, welcome back to the underground lair at Stringman Guitars. Guess what we have here? It looks like a Les Paul. It smells like a Les Paul. It has all the things that a Les Paul should have, but it's not a Les Paul. It is a Harley Benton Les Paul copy. And I'll tell you what, I think this is a really nice looking guitar. There's some places where the paint meets the wood around the edges that aren't really finished very well. But especially on this top here. I don't know if I'll pick it up or not. Right there where the black meets the copper. But very nice looking guitar. Everything looks nice on it. It's got the standard type tuners on it, your Clusen style tuners. A little marky, that looks like glue residue on the fretwork is really nice. There's no sharp fret ends. So it's tuned up. Let's see where our neck relief is. And let me make sure, pretty sure this is a Gibson scale. Let's take a peek. Sure enough. Okay. It's a Gibson scale, so we're going to want to achieve. There's some chatter. I don't know if that's from their finishing of the frets or what. There's some chatter on the top of the fingerboard, the low E side. Anyhow, let's see how our relief looks. Look at that. It's a sharp looking guitar, boys and girls. 7 fret, we want 12 thou. I think I would loosen that truss rod just a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and yank them screws out of there. Huh. I have a piece of paper or something in here. Yeah. I don't know what that is. I don't know. It is a fork. Okay. What did we want to do again? Body joint, we want 12 thou with the capo. Let me get ahead of myself. Thou at the 7th fret. Okay, and it needs loosened just a little bit. So they even left the truss rod position where I could release it. That's where I want it. Perfect. Okay. That was easy. Okay. Now with the Gibson scale, they want 5, and we're right at 5 thousandths, or 5/64ths, and 4/64ths. I'm going to double check that. But man, if that's on, that's badass. So hold on a second, let me double check that. Okie dokie. We've got 5/64 and 3/64. Let's check our action at the nut. And I like it. Let me double check. I got it. 20. Look at 21. Look at 22. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So the nut is it. Is good. Intonation is a little sharp. So we're going to take that back some. There we are. A little flat. So we want the saddle to go that way. Which is loosening it. You're taking tension off of it. So now you get the idea, and I can just do this and stop the camera. Come on. Boom! Okay, so yeah, if it's flat, the saddle has to go that way. If it's sharp, it's got to go that way. Okay, welcome back to Stringman Guitars. We're still working with the old strings, but we are now intonated. We have the proper string height. And let's just check, since it's been a minute since we took a look at this. Oh, by the way, I looked these guitars up, and they are so cheap on the interwebs. Okay, our relief is where we want it. These things are below $200. Now, granted, the paintwork ain't great. They're kind of heavy, like your Les Paul, but it says it has a basswood body. If you recall earlier in the video, I had to drop the bridge down because we wanted 3/64s here, and I started to tune the E, and bridge pickup was buzzing on the string, so I had to drop the pickup down. So what we're going to do is we're going to check the pickup height, and to do that we have these non-magnetic feeler gauges. You hold down, and that's going to go down. The only fear on these kind of pickups is how much screw do you have before it drops into the cavity. It is lost forever. Okay, that's good. Let's go up here. I know this is going to be hot. Nope, that's just right there. Let's go to the other side, where it's going to be a little closer to the strings. That definitely has to go down. Still has to go down. Don't fall off the screw pickup. Yep, can come up now. Come back down. That should do it. And it does it. And that needs to go way down. I'm actually going to check the intonation after these pickups are so high. All right, that is good. Let's just check our tuning again. We have the neck height, or the first fret height correct. We have the relief correct, and we have the string height correct. We have the pickups correct. Let's plug it in, make a little noise, then we'll switch the strings out. Come on, all kind of junk. So the rhythm pickup. Very quacky. That's a little better. Nice sustain. We don't have any of the strings touching the back of the bridge, so congratulations to Harley Benton for that. It's been a tough few months here, a lot of months, and it looks like it's getting worse again. Take care of your neighbor, check on your neighbor, open the door for someone, say hi to a stranger, wear your mask, put a smiley face on your mask, whatever you got to do to get through this. And if you could subscribe, I would certainly appreciate it, and we have something new coming down the road that you'll all be excited to check out. So thank you very much. Check us out at Stringman Guitars on Facebook, and be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Have a great one. Peace.